Ask the house teachers to check the line.
House teachers, house vice captains and captains, please check the line. Hands cover off. All of you stretch your hands. And side. Make your hands parallel to the ground. Hands off. And side. And stop. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Hands cover off. And side. Hands off. And side. And stop. All of you left front. And side. If there is no sufficient space, you can join another line. Marigold house, boys, you can join Banu of the house called line. Rhododendron house calls make a line straight. And cover off. And side. And off. And side. And start. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. All of you right front. Hands cover off. And side. And off. And side. And stop. Now all of you be ready for our national anthem. Hands cover off. And side. Hands off. And side. And stop. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Now all of you be ready for our school song.
Africa.
hands cover up, and side, hands off, clap your hands. And side, hands down. Stand at ease, attention. Stand at ease, attention. Now I would like to welcome the respected speakers to deliver their speech.
What's your name?
Namaskar and very warm welcome to all respected principal sir, vice principal, teacher, brother, sister, and my dear friend. As you all stand in front of you, I am going to deliver some times with issues on the topic of migration. Before starting my topic, I like to thank the organize this type of program which helps to increase confidence level of the student. My topic is cosmetics. My best friend name is Christina Anna. She is about 9 years old. She is good and smart. She helps me in English and Samajik. I help her in science and mathematical. She respect seniors and love juniors. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to respected vice principal, teacher, brother, sister, and my dear friends. It's me Nista Sai from grade 8 standing in front of you to share about my beautiful moments of my life. Hang out with my friends. Now my topic goes like this. First time hang out with my friends. It was a beautiful day with sun rising and clear weather. Me and my friends hang out for the first time of life. It was of 2 years before. We were 4 of them studying in the same class. We visited to Bodhanath and the Patan Darbar Square. We create a lot of memory at fun and eat delicious food. That was the best part of my life. At last, I want to say that hope that everyone will create your beautiful moments in your life. And especially for me, creating a new memories is the best part of my life because it gives me a big happiness in whenever I remember. By saying this much, I like to conclude my topics here. Thank you and have a good day everyone.
Namaskar and good morning to respected vice principal, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friend. As you know, all, it's me Pujana sister from grade 9 standing in front of you to share my experience of a memorable day in my life. I remember my one birthday where my sister surprised me with a homemade cake. She spent hours in the kitchen baking and decorating it with so much love. When she brought it out, I was completely blown away. The cake tasted delicious and the fact that she put in so much effort to make it just for me and made it even more meaningful. We spent the rest of the day laughing and enjoying each other's company. It was a simple celebration, but it was filled with so much happiness. That's why it was my memorable day. Hope it was contribution memorable. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you for your hands down. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Now to provide some information, I would like to welcome our vice principal.
Thank you, Frizzle. Who is turning back and looking here and there? Hands cover up. Stretch your hands. Hands side. Hands up. Stretch. Some of the girls are just holding their hands as if they are carrying something. Huh? Hands side. Hands down. Stand at it. So what a lovely speeches are being performed in this moment. Class 4 students, they are remembering their best friends, how they are helping each other, and what do they do. And the students, they are explaining about their past events. Generally, whenever we entertain in some events, it becomes a memorable one. So, the day will not come again, but memory remains in our mind. In the same way, coming Friday, children from grade 2 to 10, they are going to make next memory in Godavari. Where are you going? Godavari. For a picnic? And this is your dress, remember. Don't forget to wash this and make up to date. That is school's program. Presents should be there in school's uniform. Don't ask this or that or not like that. Wear warm clothes inside, and you can wear your tracksuits, t-shirt, shoes, because it is very comfortable. Singing, dancing, entertaining, and having lots of delicious food. And you must not forget to show your maximum discipline everywhere. You have to follow the commanders, directions given by your teachers. Then only the event will be successful. What to do, what not to do, it will be discussed on Friday, whenever we gather over here. And what to bring, not to bring, that will be discussed on Thursday. Now your classes for third term are going on well. We focus on studies. Pay attention towards your handwriting. I have noticed class 9 students are improving their handwriting nowadays. Sincerity, it matters. Don't be in a hurry. Write in such speed in which your handwriting becomes very neat and clean. And next important thing, understand the topic, understand the subject matter, and then express yourself. Don't fill the copy by copying your friend's answer. That is not your creativity. That activity is the worst activity. You have to be genius. You have to be constructive. So for that, understand and then express. Don't forget to wear warm clothes every day. Temperature is getting low day by day. And I told to manage mufflers, caps. Some children they are wearing, that's great. Rest of us also must do. Attention. Cover up. Deepak Bora, be active. And side. And south. Clap together. In the rhythm. Hands side, hands down. Stand a bit. Attention. March time. Do it together. Rhythmic sound must be producing. 1, 2, 1, 2. Come on. Himali. Right hand forward, left hand backward. And vice versa. Leg up, down, come on. Whether there is vibration in your cheeks or not, then you can find out whether you are doing well or not. Eh? Nilisa Jose and Swarina Mars, and why are you talking to them? Niralan Bhatta, Jadu dancing type. Okay.